Hello everyone, welcome to bimodeler.com. Ever wondered or ever used the filter option in Revit? There is a filter option under the view tab. You will be able to see that filter, and it is there in the filter option. There visibility graphics also for adding the filter. So have you ever worked on the filter? If no, there is a video, couple of videos we have done previous in this series, and do watch that. Have you ever tried the second option? Have you tried the selection filter? There is a rule-based filter where you can do that. In the right side, you can see that there is a rule. You can create it based on that. You can select the elements. The other one is that selection filter. When you select the elements, for example, all these elements, if I am selecting, or maybe entire segment of these elements, say from here. The previous tutorial we talked about the how do we select this full stretches like this, and I'm going to select this stretch. I'm holding the control key and I'm going to select this stretch, and maybe like this. So now I have to say that these segments are in the zone 1. These are the sanitary pipes, waste pipe that is I have selected. So how do we differentiate it? In rule-based filter, we must have a parameter so that we can define the rule. But for this, we don't have any parameter to define the zones. So we don't have any options. The same selection, we have to do it multiple times, or we may have to move it right, left, or designing purpose, multiple things are needed. So in that case, selection filter will be much more useful. So these are the particular elements. So you can see that one segment is missed. So we are custom making selection. We are making a custom selection here. So there is an option here. You'll be able to go here and save this selection and name this as zone 1 sanitary. When you do this, automatically these selections will be saved, and you'll be able to see that the option is showing differently now. And you can go to the edit option also, and you will be able to see under the rule based filter, you'll be able to see that zone sanitary as well. So if you escape, once it is saved, and you will be knowing it, these are the elements that you want to reselect them again. You can select like these two elements need to be reselected, and I can select it and go ahead and say load. I'll be able to select this retrieve filter, and I will be able to click OK. Now if you see that whatever the elements that we have selected previously, it will be loaded automatically. So in this way, we will be able to select it much faster. If you have a customized selection rules, if you have, you'll be able to do it manually, save them, and you can reload it again. And if you need to save this with the other elements also, you can do it as a different names. That is possible. So if you have never used in this project, do try this. This is very much useful when you're working with multiple elements with a customized selection. You don't have to do it multiple times of selections by holding the control keys or window method or any other methods. Do let me know if you are using it already, and if this is helpful for you as well. And do subscribe and share it with your learning friends. See you in the next tutorial. I will leave my LinkedIn link in the below comment. Do follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.